When using reference drawings, printing out copies or clicking between instances to copy items can be burdensome and overly time-consuming. With a digital copy and the ability to move these within your screens, the process can be much more efficient for users. For that reason, we've introduced floating windows. Now in AutoCAD, you can tear a drawing window away from the tab to view, reference, and edit your drawing side by side or on another monitor. You can even pull the window outside of the main AutoCAD frame. Navigation functionality works just as easily. You can view model and layout tabs, use the command line, pan, and zoom. With this feature, we aim to help users improve their user experience and continue to work faster with AutoCAD.